Hello, and welcome to Graphenstone Canada's How to Paint tutorial video. Tato and Camilo from Diamond Painting will be showing you how to prime and paint with Graphenstone products. Thank you for putting Graphenstone on your walls. To start priming, make sure the wall is dry, firm, well adhered, and free of any impurities that could disrupt the product. Tape the wall as required. We recommend removing any electrical plates. Make sure not to overload the roller with product. Apply the product evenly in one coat until the wall is covered in its entirety. It is very important to finish the coat with a downstroke across the wall to allow for an even finish. Allow for 24 hours drying time to achieve maximum results before painting. Paint in sections, starting with the borders, by making a 3-inch cut-in, maintaining a relative live edge. As you can see from Camilo, this is done with a brush, followed by a 3-inch, 10mm microfiber roller. Without soaking the paint roller, spread the paint evenly across the roller. Apply 2 or 3 coats evenly in a V shape. Do not paint on areas still drying, and avoid any overlapping, as an excess of product can cause micro cracking. Again, it is absolutely critical to finish each coat on a downstroke. Allow for 2 to 4 hours drying time between coats and 24 hours for overall drying time. As is common in paints, there's a 28-day cure time where you shouldn't wash the painted walls. To wash the painted walls, use soap and water. The product is hygroscopic and will appear darker when wet, much like a rock. Color will return when dry. Any touch-ups should be done with a tiny brush and spot dabbed to ensure maximum results. Thank you for tuning in and happy painting.